Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to test a carbon monoxide detector. These will be step-by-step instructions, so let's get right into this instructional video. So how to test a carbon monoxide detector, just like this one right here, step-by-step instructions. So easy. The process is very easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But I do have to say this, in terms of safety, a carbon monoxide detector is a device that keeps you safe. It is intended to keep you safe. So I'm going to show you the process for this one. And most, like, I don't want to say most, but many carbon monoxide detectors are going to be tested in the same way that I'm going to show you. But if you're in doubt even the slightest bit, then consult your owner's manual. In fact, I would recommend that you consult your owner's manual no matter what, okay? Just to make sure you're doing it absolutely correctly. So use this as a little bit of a guide for this specific carbon monoxide detector. And if yours is different, then obviously consult your owner's manual, but you can use this just for reference, okay? So anyways, let's get into this. You're going to look on your carbon monoxide detector, and there's going to be a button that says test on it. And most of the time it's going to say like test/reset or test/silence, whatever the case is, okay? Now, in order to test a carbon monoxide detector, you have to make sure, number one, okay, that it is functional and that it is at like a resting standpoint, meaning it's not making any sounds, it's not like low battery, nothing like that, it's not flashing or anything. You got to make sure it's just there, just monitoring, okay? Monitoring at a resting standpoint. What you're gonna do is get the test button and you're gonna press it down for about a second. And I like to press it down for about a second until I hear the initial beep, which tells me that this carbon monoxide detector is gonna go into test mode. It's then gonna beep a few times to test and show you that it works, and then it's going to stop. So I'll show you what to do now, and then I'll tell you what to look for and what to listen for at the end. So I'm just going to hold it down for a second until I hear that first beep, and then I will release. So just like this. Release. It's going to beep now. Right? There we go. And I want you to look for something too. Hopefully you can see. I'll try and get it dark enough. Okay? Let's wait. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so it's done the test. Just 2 sets of beeps. Every carbon monoxide detector is going to be different. Some might do more, some might do less. Some might work in unison with each other depending on how you have them set up and so forth. But essentially, what you're doing is you're listening for the beeping sound. That lets you know the audio is working on it. And you're going to look for, like most carbon monoxide detectors, are going to have some sort of light that flashes, some visual indicator. You're going to look for the visual indicator as well. And that's how to test a carbon monoxide detector. Like I said, consult your owner's manual. Make sure you're doing it the right way. Always do that. But use this as like a reference guide. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more. And sorry, before I finish this video, I just want to say this. This, in case you saw, this is a plug-in carbon monoxide detector, okay? But it does have a battery backup. That's why it's working when it's not plugged in right now, because it's on the battery backup mode because I unplugged it. Just so in case you're wondering, like, why is it working when it is a plug? It's got a battery backup. So that's it. That's basically it. But like I said, look at your owner's manual because it's going to tell you about your own specific model. And that is truly it for this video. If you like this video instructional tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.